So friends, today we are going to discuss about our lesson number 10 of standard 8 mathematics of NCERT book. Okay, this is just an introductory part. So in this introduction we can discuss about 2D shapes, different types of shapes. So we have learned about plane shapes and solid shapes, है ना? Okay, plane shapes have length and breadth, and therefore they are called two-dimensional, that is 2D shapes. Okay, so some example related to 2D shapes. Okay, we can say triangle, we can say square, then rectangle, circle, etc. Many more things. Solid shapes or objects has three measurements. Three measurement means that is length, breadth and height. Okay, or depth also we can say if it is dug out. Therefore they are called three-dimensional, means 3D shapes. For example, cylinder, okay, then we can say cuboids or cubes, then cone shape also, spherical, I mean sphere also, etc. So in this chapter we are going to discuss, or we will discuss some three-dimensional figures having flat faces like cube, cuboid, pyramid and prism. Prism, you might have heard this word in your science subject. Clear? So from here we proceed further. Polyhedron. Polyhedron means what? So we can say that it is a closed geometrical figure. It is a closed geometrical figure, or we can say geometrical figure or geometrical figure. Okay, bounded by polygons made up of flat faces. So what are faces? पहले तो ये जान लेते हैं फ्लैट फेसेस, लेकिन what are faces क्या होती है? So polygons forming a polyhedron are known as its faces. In other words, each flat surface or each flat part of a solid is called its faces. Clear? Secondly, edges मतलब धारो. What does this edges means? The two faces of a solid meet in a line which is called an edges. What is faces? What is edges? Clear? And the third part of this is very important. What are vertices? Okay. So vertices, khunao. So each corner where three edges of a solid meet is called its vertex. So these definitions can be helpful to you in MCQs also. So let us draw polyhedrons and non-polyhedrons. Okay. So we will learn that first. What are polyhedrons? So polyhedrons are different types of figure. मैंने भी कोशिश ही कर रहा हूँ भाई, फिर आप डराना नहीं मुझे. So if I draw like this, I'm just trying to manage it out. Okay. So the faces, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces are there. Then this is cuboid shape, length and breadth and height. This is length, this one is breadth, considered as a breadth, and this part is considered as height. Clear? Then we can say cube shape also, where all sides equal. This is one of the form what I have learned to draw a cube. okay, where length and height means all sides equal, then we can proceed further where we find edges also, faces also, and vertices also. So this corner जो धार है, लेंथ ये वाले these are known as edges. फिर ये वाले जो कॉर्नर्स तीनों मिल रहे हैं, 1 2 एंड 3, लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट तीनों मिल रहे हैं, तो वो कॉर्नर मीन्स वर्टाइसेस. ओके, सो एंड दिस फुल सरफेस, फ्लैट सरफेस, ऐसे हर जगह पर फ्लैट सरफेस. So this is known as face. This corner combination is known as vertex, and the edges combination of two surface, this surface and this surface, so it's known as edge. Okay, hope so clear to you all. Similarly, one or two more figures related to this. Suppose if I draw a small figure, okay, and this figure contains clear. So 1 2 3 4, okay, this is known as prism type of figure. Then triangular prism also देखते हैं सर. there are different polyhedron जिसमें edges भी है, you can find all the different things. clear. so अगर इसको शेडिंग कर दिया है ऐसे like this, so this part, okay. So these are, they are having, they must have face. What is polyhedron? Polyhedron means must have face. Polyhedron का एक याद रखना, must have flat faces compulsorily. Hope so this much concept clear related to this. What is, okay.